Wait, before you drop $1,000 on a new iPhone, hold on. Which one should you actually buy? The iPhone 17, the 17 Pro, or the giant 17 Pro Max? Let's break it down, fast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Vintegi. Today we're comparing Apple's entire iPhone 17 lineup. By the end of this video, you'll know which one makes sense for you and which one will save you money.
In the US, prices start at $799 for the base iPhone 17, $1,099 for the Pro, and $1,199 for the Pro Max. Now good news, all three have stunning Super Retina XDR OLED displays. All three are running the blazing fast A19 chip, and yes, even the base iPhone 17 now has 120Hz ProMotion for buttery smooth scrolling.
The base 17 is the most compact with a 6.3-inch screen, perfect for one-hand use and lightweight. The Pro Max is huge, 6.9 inches. If you watch Netflix, YouTube, or game a lot, that screen is amazing. But keep in mind, it's heavier and harder to use one-handed.
Camera time. The iPhone 17 has dual 48-megapixel cameras, main and ultra-wide, great for everyday shooting. The Pro and Pro Max step it up with triple cameras, main, ultra-wide, and telephoto, plus up to 8 times optical quality zoom, perfect for travel, sports, or close-up shots. If you shoot a lot of video, the Pro models also unlock ProRes and log video recording. All three are very fast, but the Pro and Pro Max have the A19 Pro chip, better sustained performance, and improved cooling. Heavy gamer, video editor, you'll notice the difference here. Battery life scales up too. The Pro Max leads with up to 39 hours of video playback. The Pro is about 33 hours. The base 17 still makes it through a full day, just shorter. So here's the trade-off. Base 17, best value and most pocket-friendly. 17 Pro, the perfect balance of price, size, and features. 17 Pro Max, biggest battery, biggest screen, ultimate camera. But it's also the priciest and heaviest.
Here's my verdict. If you want the ultimate iPhone experience, go Pro Max. If you want most of those Pro features, but in a hand-friendly size, go Pro. And if you just want great value without overspending, the base iPhone 17 is your winner.
Which one are you buying this year? Comment below. I'd love to hear your pick. And if this video helped, tap like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss more real-world tech comparisons right here on Vintegi.